Alright, we have a laptop here. It's a Toshiba Satellite Radius L40DW-C, and the glass outside is broken, and we will disable the touchscreen feature because it is getting in the way. It's randomly clicking on things. So I'll show you how you can disable the touchscreen functionality permanently. So you basically remove all the visible screws all around the laptop and then just lift it up. So this is a live repair, so I haven't opened it before, so we're gonna give it a go together. Okay, so let's have a look at where the LCD connectors are coming in. So we can see here one connector here. What does this say? This is one connector, and this is another connector going there. And let's see if we can identify which is which. This is it. This looks most likely the glass digitizer. So we're going to simply disconnect this, and let's see how this comes out. So this just pulls out. There we go, just like that. I could be wrong. There's also another one there. I'm not sure. So it's one of these two. One of them is maybe for the camera. We'll find out. So what we're going to do, we're going to turn on the unit, see if the touch is working or not, and press the power button, which is where the hell is the power button on this? Oh yeah, this is where all the USB connections are. On the other side. Okay, there we go, power on. Now we want to see if the digitizer is working or not. If it is, then we've disconnected the wrong cable. We'll go back in and reconnect the other cable. And here we go, touch is not working. Beautiful. So I was spot on. You don't see the touch screen moving. That's how easy it is. So you only want to do that when your glass is broken like this, and it keeps pressing buttons around the screen, and you don't want to replace the touch digitizer. It's a simple video, but it will help a lot of people out there. And while I've got it open, you can see inside. So we got one fan, a daughter board here, charging port, separate connection, which is nice, easy to repair. That's a DC jack cable coming all the way. Battery, so it takes a SSD. This is a what is this? This is a Toshiba, probably M.2280. It's a 128G, and it has a most likely a DDR3 RAM. That's pretty much it for this. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and it will help you out in some way. Thank you for watching. Put everything back together.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.